Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we practice some more bits regarding the Unit 1 from the 7th class English content. He was amazed to find that he had a very pretty little girl. The antonym of the underlined word is dash. Answer expected. He nibbled at the root and the sugar cane. Pick out the correct meaning of the underlined word nibbled. Answer took a small quantity of food, showing a slight interest. He ordered the servants to bring the plate. Write the simple past tense form of the underlined word bring. Answer brought. The house of the town mouse was dash. Answer a kitchen cupboard in a town. The town mouse packed his bags. Pick out the correct meaning of the underlined word packed. Answer put clothes etc. into a bag in preparation for a trip away from home. Who should spend a week in the countryside? Answer only the town mouse. All this noise has made my head ache. The word ache means dash. Answer feel a continuous dull pain. You may use my cell phone if you need. Answer giving permission. The country mouse arrived in town. Pick out the correct meaning of the underlined word. Answer got to a place. The house of the town mouse was dash. Answer: full of most delicious food. The country mouse lives in a dash. Answer: village. The dress that the little girl from Gates Avenue wore was dash. Answer: dirty. Pick out compound noun from given below. Answer: sugarcane. Sindhu may come to India next month. Answer: expressing possibility. The country mouse offered dash to the town mouse. Answer: coconut water. He had dash money. Identify the appropriate phrasal verb. Answer: plenty of money. At the end of the story, the country mouse dash. Answer: went back to his country. The town mouse felt dash in the train. Answer: hot and thirsty. He has asked me to spend a week in the countryside. Pick out the correct meaning of the underlined word countryside. Answer: a land outside towns and cities with fields, woods, etc. The day was bright and sunny. Pick out the correct meaning of the underlined word. Answer: with a lot of bright light from the sun. The train was dreadful. I feel terribly hot and thirsty. Pick out the correct synonym of the underlined word. Answer: very bad, unpleasant, or fearful. I feel very uncomfortable here. In the above sentence, uncomfortable is dash. Answer: adjective. The boy seems to cry if you do not buy an ice cream for him. Write the sentence using may. Answer. The boy may cry if you do not buy an ice cream for him. Choose the appropriate phrases. Answers. Got of, looked around, full of, plenty of, piece of. Match the following with the similar meanings. Answer. Tram, an electric vehicle that transports people in cities. Meadow, a field with grass and often wildflowers. Castle, a large strong building. Lane, a narrow road in the countryside or in a town. Twinkling, shining strongly and then weakly. Thank you for watching our videos. To get a notification of our further videos, make sure to subscribe our channel.